Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to block whispers from strangers on Twitch. To block whispers from strangers on Twitch is easy. Open your Twitch application and log into your account first. From the home page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Inside the Profile section, tap on the gear button at the top left and go ahead and tap on the Security and Privacy button. There you will be able to see Block Whispers from Stranger button. Simply toggle the button right next to it, and this will stop random users from sending you private messages or whispers. And that's how you easily block whispers from strangers on Twitch. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tap the bell icon for more helpful Twitch tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.